vlog on it on my YouTube channel. Feel free to follow me at Watchlist Stock. Um, so let's go through a few of the charts that was of interest of today. First chart is Twilio. This stock has just been inhalated since October, right? It's clear downtrend in stock, just no strength in it. And today it looks like it actually broke down again. In terms of intraday opportunities, I love looking at 5 minutes charts. Anything less than 5 minutes is a lot of whipsaw. So after a strong down move from 29 to 28, had a nice consolidation just over 28, and after that just you see a 2 point drop. For some reason I didn't really trade this stock, it didn't come up on my radar, but something which I'll try to keep note of going forward. So there was Twilios, then there was ITEK. Let's take a look. ITEK is one of the names, which is one of the names a few, I think it was last year or so, when it had a one big parabolic move, and after that it has just been getting crushed all the time. Today it actually gapped down all the way to $2. Look at this chart, it's just super sloppy. Gapped down to $2. Not really a lot of chance for you to trade anything. I had it on my, it came on one of my scanners. But then look at this. It doesn't really have the range from $2 to the low of, what is that, 160. So 40-cent range is not really the range for me to trade. I like to see a bigger range in the stocks. There's ITEK for one. MBLY, MBLY. It had a big pop a few days ago. Let me just show you. So back on Thursday, it had a big pop, and today it was a continuation move, right? Looks like there is some buyers coming back into this name. Look at this. There are some buyers coming in over here. There's total annihilation, and now it looks like there's more buyers coming in right now. If you look at the 5 minute chart, it's a pretty good chart, right? I mean, after a big push in the morning, a bit of whipsaw during the day, but once it starts getting over this, I guess the $40 level, it had a nice grind move all the way up to 41 something, right? So another good name which you could have traded, MobileEye. Another name is XOMA, XOMA. Let's take a look. It's totally beaten down name on the daily chart, right? Had one big push over here in November, down another push. So nothing really too great on here on the daily chart. But if you look at the 5 minute chart, let's see, the XOMA. It's a pretty crappy volume over here, right? Just one big push over here, and that's pretty much it. That's what we're out in the radar on here. So nothing really much to do on this name XOMA on here. One of the names Xerox, the photocopy machine people, they got annihilated today as well. I'm not sure what's going on. These people have other alternatives through HP or something, Canon. Um, so just total annihilation on it. It was range bound between 10 and $9. Gap down to 650. Intraday, if you look, not a name which has a lot of range on it, but one of the bigger gappers which gap down in the pre-market. So there's Xerox. Next we look at is Macy's. So retail sector has been hit pretty hard recently, and Macy's is one of the retail sectors as well. Uh, just getting crushed over here, right? I mean, there was some momentum over here back in November, but after that, if you look at the momentum, there's just clear downtrend on here. We look at the 5 minute chart. Let's see if there's any opportunity to trade this stock today. So after the big move down from 36 to 35.60, pop back up 35.60. So maybe about 60 cent move. That was something to trade at, right? So Macy's was a decent thing to look at. Next we look at is DGAZ. DGAZ is, I guess, is a natural gas ETF. Ooh, should have looked at this one. Look at this. There's a 3-time velocity um, ETF. Pretty spotty on the daily chart, right? I mean, this is all gappy. It's too much gaps on here. But intraday, if you look, it was actually an easier one to trade. Um, Intraday, after this consolidation with 380, went with 420, so about 40 cents. I guess if you had a lot of size, probably you can trade it, but not the kind of style that I would trade usually. And there is Woozy. Let's see what's going on with this Woozy stock. I don't want to crap your names. Look at this chart. This is just a chop fest out here. I don't even need to bother on the look at the 5-minute chart. This is a chop fest. HR Healthcare Realty Trust. That's chop fest name. Nothing much to look at. So there are some of the few interesting charts. I'll be doing my vlog on my trading for the first day of the year. How I traded IDXG and Nvidia. Do follow me on Twitter at WatchlistStock and on StockTwits. If you want to see these charts, I'll buy finviz.com. That should show you the intraday charts, which I really like. If you want to do a subscription, I've put my link down there, but you can actually click on it and you can see what is on offer. I like Finviz; shows me everything you need to see on intraday. Other than that, if you have any questions, hit me up at swatchlist@gmail.com. Uh, like or subscribe to my channel. That's pretty much it for the day, guys.